Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Today we're going to be applying a screensaver on this thing, screen protector, basically for the cord. Obviously, you guys could find it on my website. The link's gonna be in the description of this video, and along with the discount code in the package, we're gonna get that nice. Oh, open up the packaging. We got the dust absorber, and then we got this to clean off the dust that's on there currently. And we actually have alcohol prep pad. So in 70%, that's perfect. We're just gonna use a little bit and just kind of clean off that grease and whatever oil residue that's on there, and we should be good to go. I'm gonna shut off the car only so this way I'm not touching the buttons there with the touch screen. You can also find this is a 8-hole one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a sport model, so you guys are gonna have an 8. Let me make this up a little bit. There you go. And you're also gonna get a 7-hole there, also for the Civic, and I believe for a CRV as well. It's available. And we're gonna push this down. Okay, that removed a lot of dust from this thing, so perfect. This will actually save the value of your car, basically. Keep it looking new and stuff like that. Let me just clean with the rubbing alcohol or the pad so I can make sure that those fingerprints and oily whatever is removed. Perfect. That does it. And then we'll use this again to kind of dry it off. Yeah, definitely keep your car off to do this because you have to add a little bit of pressure on it to make sure you actually clean it properly. And now we'll grab the dust absorber. Super easy, guys. This is nice. Yeah, and RedLineMods actually gives the best quality too. So as you can see, this is very sticky, which is perfect. Only way to grab the dust, and I'm gonna grab on the edges too because the edges are usually more vulnerable, so people don't really clean the edges that much. So we're gonna go on the edges. That should I'm making sure I'm getting those creases, the buttons. I like the fact that this is pretty large, so you could actually reach. You could actually grab like a larger surface to clean up quicker. So yeah, it's almost done. I'm just inspecting it again. Make sure I got everything off of this thing. Just a little bit right here. And I'd say we should be good to go on this. Yeah. Before my OCD kicks in. And then if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, fam, please do so. I'd appreciate support. Subscribe to my channel, doesn't cost you anything. It's free. So help me reach 100K subscribers. I would appreciate that. And then I can actually get that silver plaque. And if you guys feel like I deserve it, then definitely hit the subscribe button. And I better see that growth, because if I don't, I can't do nothing about it. But yeah, moving on. This is my actually wireless charger. Actually a fast charger. Plus I hold my phone there too. It's magnetic. It's for the Pro Max. I'll put the link in description for the Amazon link. And here we have it. See that? Literally remove the backing of this thing. I'm gonna remove the whole thing and line it up right up, upside down. Line it up there. A little bit to my side. Yep, I lined it up perfect, and look at it go. Nice. This is the satisfying part, where it just seals itself in basically. I just want to grab the edges as well, the edges, so I make sure it kind of sticks completely. The whole sides edges are important. And that should seal it on its own. Give it a day. That bubble over here, that bubble better pop out. There you go. And bye bye bubble. Bubble's gone. Well, grab a squeegee or something. Tiny one left, but it will disappear on its own once it kind of sticks itself to the screen, and we should be good to go. That's it, fam. I'll definitely use a squeegee or something to kind of squeeze off those bubbles and be good to go. That's it. Peace out till next time.